Hey, welcome to the farm. Summer, middle of the field, and I just wanted to talk about this. We're kind of doing a tour of the field. So I did kale and onions and windbreak. We'll do some other stuff, but I don't want to ignore this because I think people might ask, you know, what do you have growing in there in the middle of the summer in a low tunnel? It's got to be 200 degrees in there. What are you going to grow? Nothing, right? Pineapples. Well, the reason it's here in the middle of summer is because, you know, I've been transitioning the farm to a research farm for a lot of the tools that I make. And one of them is this, it's called a low cat. It's a low tunnel we've developed, and I wanted to check to see what would happen if we just set it up and then just left it there and see what would happen. So we made sure it was set up correctly at the beginning, which is obviously important, and put some poly on it, and it's now been more than a year. It's been longer than a year that this thing's been sitting here unchanged. I think a few times I went around, like the bungee had slipped over here or something. I just move it over. But that's really it. And then I have a game camera. It's motion detected, and I figured it would turn on whenever there was wind or a storm or somebody walking by. So I put in one of these things because it wasn't really turning on all the time. And it actually turned on way too much. I had it unfolded and it would just be flying all the time. So I just kept folding it up, making it heavier and heavier. And now it takes a really good wind to or any storm to turn it on. Because we want to see it when it's getting hit by wind, when it's getting hit by snow or rain or hail. We don't want, hours and hours of footage just sitting here in the sunlight. Anyway, I thought you'd find that interesting. It's just one of the ways we test things. And, because you can test things by using them. And so we'll use these tunnels, in the spring and the fall and to overwinter. But putting one out there and just letting it sit, it's just a very interesting test for something like this, because it's not anything anybody's ever going to really do, right? Because there's really be no reason to keep something covered for a year. These are temporary structures for, no more than a couple of months, 3 months, and then the crop's gone, and it's going to be way too hot to grow in the summer. Yeah, so I thought you'd like to see that, and one of the ways we use the farm is for research. And so anyway, thanks for watching. We'll put a little time lapse for you as well.